As you remember, we use be in passive voice, regardless of the tense. If it's present, we use is or are. If it's past, we use was or were. If it's future, we use will be. Anyway, the verb be is always there in passive. However, in many cases, we can also use the verb get instead of be in passive voice. The sentence will have identical meaning. Just put it in the right form. If it's present, use get. If it's past, use got. If it's present, progressive, use is getting. For example, access codes to the database are changed every hour or can be substituted by get. Access codes to the database get changed every hour. My car was hit by some maniac last night. Was can be substituted by got. My car got hit by some maniac last night. He will be fired if he comes to work late again. Be can be substituted by gad. He will get fired if he comes to work late again. The dinner is being cooked as we speak. Is being can be substituted by is getting. The dinner is getting cooked as we speak. He was being delayed by the professor. Was being can be substituted by. Yes, you guessed it right. By was getting. He was getting delayed by the professor. The car can be sold any day. We can substitute it. Can be with can get. The car can get sold any day. You will find that many native speakers use the word get a lot, including passive voice. Okay, I hope it was helpful, so stay tuned for that.